shout out doon sa nandito, naintindihan nila ng kulang ng 5 pesos yung aking parang entrance fee dito sa barko. And explain ko lang kasi gusto kong i-shout out sila for what happened, why this lady give me those 20 pesos and said can I go to the taxpayer now to pay those money? And I said, no, it's okay. I will talk to the personnel when I come back to Manila and I pay for the 25 pesos. And it's so weird to talk to these people. So I just want to say something hi to them. And she walked in that, nandoon siya. And then sabi niya siya ay taga Bohol. And ayun siya, nahiya naman akong lapitan siya. Pero nandun siya sa unahan and she give those 20 pesos and hindi, ayoko ng gulo, but my husband always said na if you see a stranger, don't ever get those money, even it's a coins or a money or a paper money or ganyan-ganyan, hindi ko raw pwede kunin. So, ayun, I don't wanna get those money. And sinabi ko kay ate, sinabi ko na hindi ko tatanggapin yung 20 pesos. And then, pag nakadating na akong Manila, babayaran ko yon sa taxpayer sa Manila. And ayun sila, nandun sila. So, hi po sa kanila. Ayun, mauna siguro sila doon. And she's so guilty for something that I did not know. So, ayun, maybe my family is brutally attacking Cotabato City, Mindanao, and based on the experience I have natahi yung ulo ko talaga. Maybe I fight for those people attack us before the first martial law. So siguro lumaban kami kasi walang Chinese na hindi lumalaban, pero siguro master of karate yung umatak sa bahay nung nagkaroon ng purge sa Cotabato City, and gumamit sila ng mga weapon like samurai siguro, kaya at mga ninja sila kasi nagkaganyan lang sila, and magagaling din sila ng mga ninja nung time na yon. So siguro they're guilty for something that hindi ko alam. So ayan, paalis na lahat. And then she said na she is from Bohol. So shout out sa taga Bohol. And ayun, i-out ko na muna to kasi natakot talaga ako. There's a bad comment sa YouTube channel ko about those people, and being alone right now, I don't have anyone to like hug or be in my shoulder or sabihin na kaya mo yan, ate girl, ganyan. All my sight is out of the signal now, and baka nagalit talaga yung kung sino may mga magulang ko nung nangyari yon. So ayun, ito yung view dito. So ayan, siguro paakyat na kami ng barko. So medyo naagaan siya ng mga 3 hours to ano. Tapos ayun, ewan ko, parang they guilty for something that I want to remember, and hindi pumapasok sa utak ko. Lalo na lang akong parang nawawala sa isip ko yung mga memory, and hindi pwede. So ayun, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone.